Alright, let's get right into it with this 2-lamp VaporTight. It's important to note the 4 and 6 lamp have a different mounting bracket. Okay, once you got everything out of the box, you want to start by assembling the gear tray. And you do that by taking the wire harness with the tombstone tube connectors and securing them into the underside of the gear tray. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. We're going to surface mount this fixture, so we need to transfer the on-center measurement of our brackets to where we're going to mount it, and then mount those brackets so that we can pop in the fixture and start to wire this light. Okay, now we can take that gear tray and snap it into the safety clip so that we can more easily wire it. Pop out the grommet at the powered end of the fixture. Using the supplied VaporTight power connector, thread the power supply wire through the connector and screw into place, pulling as much slack as you need to wire the fixture and then locking it down. Connect your incoming power, green to ground, white to white neutral, and black to black hot. Make sure these connections are secure, as shown here. Now bundle and tuck all the wiring into the fixture. Align and install the gear tray using the mounting tabs. Now let's get those LED tubes installed using the Tombstone G13 bases. Insert the two pins vertically and then rotate 90 degrees until they lock. Repeat for all existing tubes. Now install the stainless steel clip hardware around the fixture, and then align and secure the lens, being sure it finds a good seat into the gasket, and secure all the clamp. As always, get more at PrimeLights.com.